Your horn is there for a reason, right? To get people's attention, to let them know that they're gonna hit you, or if they're just annoying you. But a Hawaiian woman got a ticket for using hers. According to news station WKRN, the woman used her horn to stop a driver that was cutting her off, not realizing that the driver was actually a police officer. Oh well, who cares? The officer then pulled her over and wrote her a ticket for $72 because he's a cop, I guess. She says she only beeped her horn once because she was afraid he was going to hit her. But the officer said she should have noticed that he was driving a government vehicle and shouldn't have done that. Well, sir, you are on blast. Apparently this is a common deal in Hawaii. There have been 5 citations for unnecessary use of a horn on the island. I bet it's the same cop. What do you think? What do you think about this whole story? Do you think it's crazy? Do you think police officers are above the law? Cops, chime in on this because I know you have something to say.